guys, good evening. My name is Desmond. I'm a Cameroonian. I'm a student of the Blue Ocean Academy. A couple of months ago, my friend suggested to us that we should take the cabin crew course, and he actually enrolled at Blue Ocean. I had no idea that's where he enrolled. So he said I should enroll there, so I'm like, no. I'll go online and look for the best aviation academy in Dubai. And when I went and did the research, Blue Ocean showed up. So immediately I came to Blue Ocean and registered. Then I sent the contact to him. It's like, that's exactly where I enrolled. I was like, wow. So when we started the course, I got there, I met so many people from different nationalities: Sri Lanka, Cameroon, Nigeria, Ghana, Philippines, and many others. It was a fun experience in general, and being there, the students, the environment was just so perfect. And we had a wonderful teacher, Miss Noba. She's the best teacher I've met in a very long time. She made us feel like we're actually cabin crew, things like the course we came in for. And before leaving from there, everybody just felt like if they call us up for an interview, we're just going to nail it. And it has been an overall wonderful experience. I encourage you to come enroll at Blue Ocean Academy. It's the best and you won't regret it.